major seventh chords and their arpeggios. We'll first play C major 7. Hear the sound, nice warm sound, very cool for jazz. Has been used in rock too and blues. And if I want to change from C major 7 to D major 7, all I simply do is go 1, 2 frets up. So the importance here of knowing the notes on the strings is crucial. Same as if I were to play C major 7 over here. Same chord, different voicing. And I can now go to D again by shifting up 2 frets. So the important lesson over here is the shapes are static. In other words, they remain the same and we simply move them across the fretboard as we need them. Now, obviously, this is good for strumming. We want to pick the notes individually because we've done a few studies using arpeggios and we want to learn to play them. The major 7th shape, now we're saying the major, not C major, is going to go from the root to the 3rd, to the 5th, to the major 7th octave. Now that's got to do with the notes in the major scale being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're using the 1st note, 3rd note, 5th note, 7th note. So those notes are present. One more time, let's do the arpeggio. And that lends itself to quite a nice hammer-on and pull-off as well. Now, similarly, we can actually change it to D major 7 as well by simply moving 2 frets. And as long as the 2nd string is not involved, we can also play the same sequence of notes from the E string for C major and the same for D major. So what we need to know here is that this sequence of events, these sequence or pattern rather of fingers is the major 7 sequence. Please memorize this. Now it's very crucial to get to know your E string and your A string, the notes on that. So if someone says to me C, I go C, C. If we call out G, G, G. We want to get it that quick. Okay, it's going to help you in the band room. It's going to help you for when composing. It's going to let you play more freely on the instrument. When it gets to involving the B string, then it gets a bit more tricky because of the tuning of that 2nd string, your shape now changes. So your shape now looks like this for the major 7. We're keeping with C. One more time, a bit closer so we can see the fingers here. So we need to memorize the shapes. Okay, so revise major 7th today. They should be complementing those chords, the major 7th chords. Lots of different ways to play them. Nice voicings. But the chords are another study. We want to learn today the major 7th shape. And we're saying it over and over because you must know that is major 7. Have an awesome day. See you for the minor 7ths and dominant 7ths.